Hey everybody, Doug here with Whiteboard Wisdom. Today we get to tackle a problem that we see with a lot of our partners that we speak with. That problem is around IT device retrieval. There's a couple areas that we want to focus in on. Number one, are you able to track down who has what where? Do you know where all of your devices are, especially with the shift to remote work? And do you have a database of those devices that you can keep records of and keep compliance on? Number two is around logistics. Are you able to, when there's a voluntary or involuntary person that's leaving your company, get that device back? This is a logistics problem around corrugate boxes, around shipping, and around receiving. Do you have that logistics figured out? Also, do you have those logistics figured out for your break fix and steady state operations? Or those swap programs that you're running where you're sending new devices out and needing to reclaim those old devices? Those devices are not just a money problem, they're also a data problem. So where are those devices and are you able to get them back when you need to? The third is around lifecycle. In the lifecycle, when you receive those devices back, are you making the most of those devices? Do they need repaired and then sent back out as redeployable devices for your break fix and even possibly your steady state new hires? Are those devices getting reconditioned so they can be actually reused in that way? And in some of those devices, in some cases, they're at the end of their life and they need to be disposed. Are you able to track down where those devices are going after disposal and get them disposed properly? That's all around the lifecycle management. Now, if you're having problems with this or you're stuck, just don't worry, you're not alone. And we would love to have a conversation with you around these different topics in that IT asset device retrieval. Well, that's another Whiteboard Wisdom for today.